If you sit more than 6 hours a day, this video is for you, because this chair can either destroy your posture, or activate your core in ways most workouts don't. And exercise number 3 is why most people feel nothing. I need you to pause for just 2 seconds because what I'm about to show you could literally melt that lower belly fat while you're sitting in your chair. Yes, right now, no floor, no gym, no equipment, just your chair and your commitment. If you've ever looked down and thought, why does this stubborn belly fat just won't go? You're not alone. Millions of Americans struggle with this exact problem, especially if you're sitting at a desk all day, binge-watching Netflix, or working from home in a chair that's supposed to be comfortable, but instead, it's creating the perfect trap for lower belly fat. And here's the thing most people don't know, you don't have to do crunches, sit-ups, or even lie on the floor to target that area. Traditional abs workouts often ignore the lower belly, where fat cells are the most stubborn and metabolic activity is the lowest. But what I'm about to show you will wake those muscles up, increase core engagement, and burn fat fast, all from a chair. Stick around, because at the end, I'm revealing a bonus strategy that turbocharges these exercises, and skipping it is like leaving your results on the table. Exercise 1, seated knee lift with twist. So, just sit up straight, place your hands behind your head, lift one knee toward your chest, and twist to bring your opposite elbow toward it. It might look simple, but honestly, that twisting motion is a secret weapon for your obliques and lower abs. Americans spend hours sitting with poor posture, letting the lower belly sag, muscles weaken, and fat accumulate. This move combats that. Slow it down. Imagine your abs are like a stubborn engine. Control each lift and twist, and feel the burn deep in the lower belly. Beginners might get tired after 8 to 10 reps per side, and that's normal. Exercise 2, chair plank push-up. Sit on the edge of your chair, grip the sides, lift your body slightly off the seat, hold for a second, and slowly lower. Your arms and core might feel wobbly, and that's perfect, because that's your body engaging muscles that rarely work while you sit. This strengthens arms, shoulders, and abs simultaneously. Pro tip: controlled breathing doubles the fat burning effect. Inhale lowering, exhale pushing up. Exercise 3, seated leg circles. So, just lift both legs slightly and draw small circles clockwise, then counterclockwise. It might look easy, but honestly, your lower belly and hip flexors are working overtime here. Americans, we sit for hours driving, commuting, or just chilling on couches. Hip mobility suffers, posture collapses, and, well, fat starts to accumulate. This simple motion really helps reverse that trend. Exercise 4, oblique side crunch with arm reach. Lean to one side, reach overhead, then slowly return. Crunches usually hit the upper abs, but the obliques, they often get neglected. This move targets the love handles and that stubborn lower belly fat, sculpting your waistline, in a way regular sit-ups just can't. Here's a tip: squeeze at the top. Beginners, you can start with half-range motion and, gradually reach higher. If you're advanced, go ahead and hold a small weight or even a bottle. Exercise 5, seated figure 4 pulse. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and pulse gently while engaging your abs. This really works your lower belly and hip muscles. It also improves hip flexibility, which is super crucial if you're sitting all day. Remember to pulse slowly, feel every contraction, and don't rush it. Variations can include longer pulses, or alternating sides more rapidly to keep your heart rate up. Hey, here's a bonus tip. Try combining these 5 exercises with micro intervals. So that means 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and you repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. This approach really ramps up your metabolism, signals your body to burn fat more efficiently, and keeps your heart rate elevated. Most people skip this part, thinking they're just too busy. But honestly, these small bursts are what transform simple chair exercises into a real fat-melting powerhouse. Alright, let's do a quick motivation check. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, why did you press play today? Maybe you want to feel stronger, have more energy, or just prove to yourself that you can stick with something new. Picture this. It's Monday morning, you're sitting in your chair, and instead of scrolling through social media, you're actively engaging your core muscles, making a choice that benefits your body and mind. You're torching lower belly fat, improving your posture, and building a foundation for better health, all from the comfort of your home. That's real power. That's taking control of your life. one small action at a time. These are the kinds of results so many Americans dream about, but often feel are out of reach. The difference is, you're actually taking the first step, not just wishing for change. Just 10 minutes a day, every day, really adds up faster than you might think. Consistency is the secret ingredient that transforms small efforts into big results. Imagine looking in the mirror in a few weeks, noticing a flatter belly, feeling your clothes fit better, and realizing you're standing taller and moving with more confidence. You'll feel more confident in your clothes, and maybe even rediscover outfits you haven't worn in ages. And the best part? You didn't even need a gym or fancy equipment to get there. It all started with a simple decision to move, right where you are. Let's talk form tips. Good form isn't just about looking good, it's about moving safely, getting the most out of every rep, and building a strong foundation for your fitness journey. Paying attention to your posture and technique can help prevent injuries and make your workouts much more effective. For the knee lift with twist, make sure you avoid slumping, sit tall, keep your shoulders back, and your core engaged. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. This will help you activate your core muscles and maintain balance throughout the movement. When you're doing the chair plank push-up, keep your elbows close to your body to protect your shoulders and really maximize core engagement. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels, and avoid letting your hips sag or pike up. For seated leg circles, rotate from your hips, not just your legs, and keep your lower back neutral. Move slowly and with control, feeling the muscles around your hips working with each circle. This helps improve mobility and stability. On the oblique side crunch, squeeze at the top. Pause for a moment to really feel your oblique muscles working before returning to the starting position. Controlled movement is key for targeting those side muscles, and with the figure 4 pulse, maintain a neutral lower back and go for slow, controlled pulses. Don't rush. Focus on the quality of each rep to get the best results and protect your spine. These small adjustments, believe me, will absolutely skyrocket your results. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are what set you up for long-term success. Keep practicing these tips and you'll notice real improvements in your strength, stability, and confidence. So, here's the thing. Most Americans don't fail because they don't have enough time, but, honestly, because they just don't have the right guidance. This routine is super portable, totally accessible, and, yeah, it's really simple. Just 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, done consistently, actually produces results. Pair it up with good hydration, balanced meals, and a few short walks, and you're setting yourself up for long-term fat-burning success. And don't forget to track your progress. Take photos, jot down measurements, or even notice how your clothes fit, because every single small session really does matter. Let's bust a big myth. You can't spot reduce fat in just one area, but you can target muscles to increase local calorie burn. Chair exercises, intervals, and just moving a bit more every day actually create a kind of fat-burning chain reaction. Here's a bonus tip. Set a timer every hour to stand up, stretch, or do a quick mini set. These micro-activity stacks, honestly, they silently melt fat over time. Alright, quick recap. There are 5 chair exercises: seated knee lift with twist, chair plank push-up, seated leg circles, oblique side crunch with arm reach, and seated figure 4 pulse. Do these in micro intervals, focus on your form, keep track of your progress, and work those mini sets into your day. Just 10 minutes a day can truly reshape your lower belly, improve your posture, and, yeah, boost your energy, all without ever leaving your chair. Here's the challenge. Let's make today the day you take action. All you need is a chair and just 10 minutes of your time. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just your determination and a simple chair. Start now, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve in such a short burst of effort. See what your chair can really do for you. Try out the moves, push yourself, and then let us know in the comments which exercise made you feel the burn the most. Your feedback helps others get inspired too. And, hey, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you never miss a follow-up. Your support means we can keep bringing you more tips and motivation. In the next video, I'll reveal 3 bonus chair hacks that can help you melt fat in half the time. These are my favorite tricks for getting results faster and making workouts more fun. Remember, if you don't take action, that stubborn belly fat is just going to stick around. But if you start today, you're already one step closer to your goals. In just a few weeks, you'll look back and realize your chair was your secret weapon all along. Small steps add up to big changes, and your future self will thank you for starting now. So, which exercise are you going to try first? How quickly do you think you'll start to feel the burn? Challenge yourself, and maybe even invite a friend to join you. Drop your answer in the comments below. I'm reading every single response, and remember, your transformation truly starts today.